Hello everyone, welcome to day 17 of Leetcode MayChallenge. Today we have question number 1379. Find a corresponding node of a binary tree in a clone of that tree. So in this question they have given us two binary tree, original and cloned, and given a reference to a node target in this original tree. The clone tree is a copy of the original tree. We have to return a reference of the same node in the clone tree. Note that you are not allowed to change any of the two tree or the target node, and the answer must be reference to the node in the clone tree. Example 1. This is the original tree and this is the target clone tree, and the target is 3. And we have to find this target node from the clone tree, and that what we have to return. To understand this question more clearly, for example, in this question, if the target is given as 7, and if in the original tree its address is like 10k, and if in the clone tree its address is like 20k, so we have to return this node in the clone tree. That is will be our output. So how we will find it is, we will create a two pointer, that is p1, that will point to the original tree root node, and a pointer p2 that will point to the clone tree root node. And what we will do is, first we will iterate to its left, and similarly we'll do the same iteration for p2 also, and we will find whether the nodes are same, whether we got the target node that is 7 or not. The moment we'll get the target node 7, we'll stop. So first our iteration begins. We are on the node 1. Is it the target? Is it equal to target node? No. So we will move to its left, and here also we will move to its left. Is 2 is equals to a target node? No. So we will move to its left, that is this 4, and then again to its left. Is this equals to target node? No. So there is no left, so now we will move to right. So now we will move over here and over here. Is this equals to target node? No, this is not equals to target node. This is pointer 1, sorry, this is pointer 1. So we will move over here. Pointer 1 will move to 5. Similarly, pointer 2 will also move to 5. Is this equals to target node? No, this is not equal to target node. So the pointer 1 will move to its left, that is 9. And pointer 2 will also move to its left. Is this equals to target node? No. So a pointer will move to 3. And similarly a pointer 2 will also move to node 3. Is this equals to the target? No, target is 7. This is also not equal, so it will go to its left. Similarly, this will also go to its left, that is 6. Is this equals to the target node? No, this is not equals to the target node, so it has to go to its left, but there is no left, so it will move to its right. Similarly, over here also the same iteration will happen. It will move to its right. Is this equals to the target node? No, this is not equals to a target node. Then it will move to its 3's right, that is 7. And over here also pointer, this is pointer 2, sorry if I'm writing 1, it's 2. So over here also, it's once it reaches to this, is this equals to target? Yeah, once we got this is equals to target, we will return the same node from pointer 2, and that is what we have to return as an output. So let's code it. First thing what we will do is, as we already know, they have given us the clone tree, original tree, clone tree, and the target tree. So we will create one helper function. So which will take simple the original, clone, and target. And we will write this method over here. It is of type tree node because it will return us the node, and what we need is tree node. This is original and tree node. This is clone and the target node. So first thing what we will do is, we will check. First we have to create a pointer, and the next thing is, let's call it, instead of like calling is this, let's call it pointer 1, and let's call this as pointer 2. Okay, it will be the pointer to the node, because of course this is the root node, this is pointer 2. So what we will do is we will check if our pointer 1 is equals to null, we will return null, because if pointer 1 is null, that means root is null. Then how we will find the target? And if p1 is reached to target, then we have to return the pointer p2. Why? This is, give me a second, yeah, this is because these both are the clone tree. This is original and this is its clone, right? So when we will reach to the target, if we find the target over here, then of course as it is cloned to it, we'll find it the target over here also. Both pointer will reach to the target at the same time. So we will return the pointer 2, and that what we have to return as an output. Okay, so that's why we do it. Otherwise what we will do, we will create a tree node left, and we will call a helper function that we will tell our helper function to go to the left of the node and find whether we in the left we got the target or not, and we will pass the target. And similarly we'll do for the right. And here also change it to right. First we'll find in left and then in right. And one more check we'll do, if left is not equals to null, then we have to return left. Similarly, if right is not equals to null, then we have to return right. Otherwise what we will do, we'll just simply return null. Let's run this. Let's submit. It's accepted. We are done. Thank you.